Good conductors and bad conductors. Those who allow pass the current to move on, we call it as a good conductors of electricity. Bad conductors, most of the plastic things are bad. Rubber and plastic things are bad conductors of electricity. Now we'll move on to, I think, where all needed more explanation. I'm just giving it up because my video I'm not getting, I don't know where it is. I'm searching for it. What is a dry cell? What is a dry cell? It's nothing but a cell. That's okay. They cannot be recharged. Nowadays we have rechargeable cells we are getting. It's a new thing. Most of us are buying that only now. Because we need lot of electricity. So even when there is no main electricity, we are trying to use our cells to continue our work. So rechargeable. You can charge it and use it again. But the dry cell, you cannot recharge it. Once it's over, once the chemical what is inside is over, you have to throw it off. The dry cell, what are the things inside the dry cell? You can see. I will send that picture for you. A carbon rod with a metal cap. See on the top you can see a cap. There is a small button like thing I told you. And dipped into magnesium dioxide. See, these are all the chemicals that doesn't have an explanation. You have to learn as it is. Called positive electrode. That is a positive terminal on the top. It is a magnesium dioxide. Then it goes inside. Then you have a mixture of carbon and magnesium dioxide. It's all names of this one. Magnesium dioxide absorbs the released hydrogen gas in the chemical reaction, thus improves the function of the dry cell. Okay, the gas plays a very important role. How the gas you are getting? Carbon plus magnesium dioxide react together and produce a gas called hydrogen that will help the function of a dry cell. Then you have a fabric separator. That is maybe you cannot make everything to react together. That's why you have bad conductors in between. Then it will react better. Electrolytes, paste of ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride acts as an electrolyte and thus allows the electricity to pass through. Electrolyte means it allows the lights. It's a good conductor. Which one? The ammonium chloride. The metal cast is as a cathode. It is a positive terminal of the dry cell. The current flows from the positive to the negative. Always from positive to the negative. Outer plastic thing I told you. The outer plastic or metal, whatever it is in a cell. Okay, the whole thing is sealed and packed with a hand plastic covering so that the contents do not spill it out. Because after reaction they may become a little almost like sometimes like a solid state. That's why sometimes it will react and comes out. It's become poisonous. That's why we are sealing it up neatly. That's why we use it, and we ask not to play with the cells. It's not so good. Zinc, another metal. So far we have our chemicals, magnesium dioxide and carbon, both react and we get hydrogen gas that will help the electricity to flow faster. And you have ammonium chloride, that is like a medium. Medium means it is sending it to other part. So far this is a positive terminal. Now we are going on to the negative terminal. You have zinc in the negative terminal. This is another chemical. It contains a paste of ammonium chloride. Already ammonium chloride we have learnt. A paste sense, that is why we are sealing it up. Paste of ammonium chloride, inside the paste a cardboard container having powdered magnesium dioxide and carbon is placed. There are small holes in carbon through which a chemical reaction takes place between ammonium chloride and magnesium dioxide. Zinc is called the negative electrode, negative terminal. This is the explanation of a dry cell. I will give you the picture with the explanation just you can learn it. You have to draw a dry cell, you have to draw a torch. Already you have drawn circuit, bulb. Okay, with that I am just completing your electricity lesson. I will be giving the question answer also for you. That's all, book back exercise, extra question answer and all. After finishing for the test, we will do it. Please, anytime they open the school, see that you complete all your notebooks. Don't make yourself stressed. It's because when you are stressed, you try to make mistakes. The situation is not so favor for us, so we cannot waste time. I am not asking you to be stressed yourself, because then and there you finished. I am giving you every class comes after 15 days. You finish after 15 days. None of you are submitting the notebook. That's why even there are 3-4 submitted notebook. I didn't open it. It's because I'm going to give dates from next week onwards. I will call personally and ask you to submit the notebook and the test notebook and your projects. Here you have to make a circuit project. Okay, circuit project, take a photograph. All that I will ask you by attendance order. It goes both the class sections. Then I will enter the whole thing here. When you submitted, when you not submitted, all that it is with me. So even your parents, teachers, if you have a meeting, I can show everything. Some children finish the same day, some are finished within 1 or 2 days, some have not finished. Now also they have not finished. Please see that. Use your time wisely. I am not asking to stress yourself. 15 days time. Please do it. Okay, thank you. Stay safe.